I think my wax is dead.
Or it's tonight, one of the two. Hold on.
No,
This evening.
Until it's today. This brunch.
I think they like the sound of Philip singing.
Oh, Philip.
They're just down there.
Dude. Sunday, we can't even go to Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A?
Here we go, boys. Dude.
Put the knee brace on.
So for my 30th birthday, I'm totally gonna start wearing old man clothes. Like I'm done.
Like faded glory jeans.
Yep, just straight up from Walmart. And New Balances, that's it.
Dude, I'm like, the married life must be like a cheap life. You don't spend a lot of money on
No,
clothes and shit.
you're
Spend all your money on shit.
Oh, look at the head shake on that one, dude!
Oh, it's in my deucer, but
It's like a... You don't really know what you got until you pull it out of the fucking hole. Like a mystery box.
there's more down there, Kale.
Well, I caught a bass, so... Oh, he's into one.
Oh yeah. Oh, piss, yeah.
I gotta get the other camera out. Look at that!
Dude, this is like a crappie sunfish hybrid. Just a slab right there.
A crunfish.
Look at that clean hook even. Through both lips.
Double lifter, eh?
Double lifter. Don't tell your friends.
Dude, I need a waxy. I mean, a plastic. What kind of plastics you got?
Oh, those sweet.